This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by registering an app in Azure AD because Power Automate needs delegated or application tokens. Once done, give only the graph scopes you require so you reduce risk. Make sure to create a client secret and copy client ID and tenant ID immediately. You'll use these values in Power Automate connectors. Don't pause on theory. Open the Azure portal, register, assign permissions, and generate the secret. This is the concrete first step to enable graph calls. Next, you build the flow that actually calls Microsoft Graph. Start with a trigger, then add an HTTP action, and choose Azure AD or OAuth details using your client ID, tenant, and secret. This handles token acquisition. Once you have a token, set authorization header to bearer token and craft the request body and query parameters for the graph endpoint you need. Make sure to test with get then post. Iterating quickly helps you confirm permissions and payload shape. Finally, you validate and secure the solution by running the flow end-to-end and inspecting response codes and JSON bodies in run history. If a call fails, reproduce it in Graph Explorer or Postman to isolate payload, headers, or permission issues. Make sure to handle token refresh and store secrets in Key Vault or secure inputs. If permissions block you, request admin consent for tenant-level scopes. That single step usually resolves 401 and 403 errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.